First, the speaker said that morning sunny skies and mild temperatures had turned into the beautiful afternoon. Next, he said the temperature at 2 o'clock that afternoon at the airport were 21 degrees Celsius. Finally, he said that weather was warm for that time of year. However, no one was complaining after the poor weather they had been having that month. First, the speaker said that clear skies that day would be a welcome relief after the day before thunder showers. Next, he said, although it would be a bit warmer than the day before, temperatures would remain cool throughout the day. Next, he suggested watching out for more rain and colder temperatures the day after. However, no snow until the Tuesday after. Finally, he suggested putting the rain boots away and getting out their warm horse and mountains because a cold front would be moving in toward the end of the week after. First, the speaker suggested putting away the umbrellas because the clouds were finally gone, so he suggested going outside and enjoying the sunshine that day. Next, he said it looked like they had a full week of sun ahead of them, with no more rain expected until after the weekend. Finally, he announced temperatures would remain cold and pleasant until the middle of the week. Wednesday brought them hotter weather. First, the speaker announced that on local beaches were closed for the weekend due to dangerous winds. Next, he said, in addition to the wind, the weather would remain cloudy on weekend. Temperature would fall below freezing that night, and there was a slight chance of snow after midnight. Next, he said, if they hadn't done so already, the time to cover up those precious bedding plants and bring in any bones that might not make it through the winter. First, the speaker announced that day's higher temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit was average for that time of year. Next, he said the record high for that day was 90 degrees and the record low was 55. Next, he said what were not average were the unusual amount of rain they had had that fall. Finally, he said they had been unhappy to see that day's clear weather and hoped the sunshine continues all week. First, the speaker announced that they'd been a rainiest spring ever, with a record rainfall week before of 5 inches. Next, he said that rain continued that day and through the rest of the week, and cloudy skies were in store for the rest of the weekend. Finally, he suggested not worry because according to their 15 days forecast, summer sunshine and clear skies were just around the corner. Hello everyone, my name is Nhân. Today I would like to tell you a short talk on weather report. Now listen to me. First, the speaker announced that day the sun was shining and temperatures would be much higher than what they expected for that time of year. Next, he said the warm weather would continue through the following day, and there were no change of rain until early the week after. Finally, he said at that time of year, they knew the good weather couldn't last forever. First, the speaker introduced her and their 3-day weather forecast. Next, he said it had been a relatively dry week for that time of year. They could expect showers late that night, and there were an 80% chance of precipitation the morning after. However, the rain was expected to clear by afternoon. Finally, he said, for the good news, warm and sunny weather were expected throughout the weather weekend, taking them right into Sunday evening. First, the speaker said there were a slight chance of rain that afternoon, possibly turning to wet snow by evening. Next, he said there were also a storm warning in effect for the day after. So stay tuned to Channel 5's Weather News on the hour very hour. Finally, he said temperatures remain cold to the remainder of the day, and with the wind chill, they might even reach a record low from March. First, the speaker commented that day had been the hottest day on record since 1885, when the city started keeping track of the daily highs and lows. However, with that day's strong winds, it didn't feel as uncomfortable as it might have on a calm summer day. Finally, he said that since that weather wasn't typical for a cool fall day, perhaps it meant they could get ready for a gentle winter.